welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Okay, ignore my face right now. I look really okay. So I was trying to shave myself and I cut myself. Okay, basically. Gross. Oh, nasty. So I want to do my quick face. I have like at least 10 minutes to get ready. We all know I don't get ready under 10 minutes. So we'll see how this is. And I'm using my camera, my iPhone, so I'm sorry it's not all glammed up. I'm using the Dip Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills and pomade. Oh my god, they're not even that even. Don't y'all hate? Whatever. Is that a pimple? They look pretty okay, right? They look okay. It doesn't really matter. Unless they're sisters, not twins. Oh my god, come on. Is that even blended? It's blended, whatever. Girl, I am so late. Oh, come through. Come on. You know what I really hate? It's the fact that when you blend your eyeshadows and then you realize that you're not actually that good. Just like my life. Anyway, it looks pretty good. I just put my eyelashes and I'm done, honey. I'm done. So let's go with it to the carnival. We're going to Gray America and I'm taking my 2 siblings. So let's go. Y'all, the highlight that? Y'all love that highlight? Ooh, yes.
That's how annoyed I am at him. Stop. Oh, check out.
My sister doesn't want to be on the vlog.
You know what? If you don't stop, I'm gonna dislike all of you.
I'm vlogging. No.
I'm gonna
report your video. Aloha, honey.
You say aloha?
It sucks. Next time, I'm gonna go with John. Nope. Yes. Nope. Yes. Yes. Me and John, you by yourself. So I just came back from the ride, and can y'all see the foundation? It's wearing off, and it's not feeling funny. But you know what? At least my highlight is popping. Glasses, because my lashes did not last that long, honey. So covering it up. See it? They're long. I have like a hair here. Okay. So we're just going home right now. We're going home. How you turn the? Okay, right there. Yes, honey. So my lips is coming off. My foundation is patchy AF. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh my god. Oh, she's not having it today. Hurry up, slowpoke.
Hey, I'm gonna dislike that video too.
Oh.
I'll put a copy strike.
Whatever. My makeup is messed up. Look at my eyeliner, honey. Look at my eyeliner. Look at, it's not cute. It's not cute at all.
Wait, check the nose pass. Oh, that's a lot of make. Oh my.
Yeah. Finish my vlog for a second, please. No, I'm dead ass serious. You can stop my. Don't do that. So we're going. I'm over here, honey. My face is here, okay? We're going. Ashley, I'm serious. Oh my god. We're going to Target right now, and we'll see what.
Gang.
Okay. No. Okay, I'm literally gonna cut that out because you're not gonna do that in my video. No. Classy. Sassy. With a lot of ass. Oh, you're gonna cut that out. I'm not broke.
See these Gucci glasses?